Somewhere 3 months ago, I think 3 months ago, made the report be Bremo. Me mamoti asye say osofobia your friend Sunshine Anaba 31st night a year last year December 31st and also woman come shebi na enkom sha woman ye no ye ra this year mu no wono ne enkom she e na ye enkom sha ebe mu enkom she ni bia woman ye 1 waka say obinim 2020 wobebre pa na de ye di be ye obinim no ye di ne nim be twi fom ye be ra year 2020 mu e na sa asofo ne ka sa asem ne Sunshine Anaba wakan sa asem no na wo wie ye no e na wosanso ma prophecies on Kennedy Japan na asem a wakan fa wo binim ho no we've all seen it 2020 ye bia wo binim obre from Kennedy Japan to Ghana Revenue Authority enkrofo bebre ba bontin obinim ayen say we ba obinim chese sisi a Monday Wednesday or Friday no obinim ni yem hihye no because na two the seat show ne so no obi beba aba be kan bibia wo binim e de aye no adeboni bia wo binim de aye no 31st night last year right new year mu no na wo binim onim se nyama we nya beba Sunshine Anaba e na wo share sa abo no Sunshine Anaba share sa abo ni wie ye no osanso share me say den na make me say bo da bi o share sa nkom no aha nkom na make na me say bo no Ghana for hwi die Sunshine Anaba share sa nkom ni wie ye no osanso share nkom say Kennedy Japan so Kennedy Japan this year one here send ya JB dankwa ewu ye no Kennedy Japan so bi wu saa wasanso shenkom say Kennedy Japan benya a lot of court cases we sorry award the never court we sorry award the never court we sorry award the never court and so wasanso shenkom say Kennedy Japan benya international matter wan hwe ya Interpol ebeba be di Kennedy Japan wechi it wonye steady na yen say the momentum Kennedy Japan is getting from exposing and Rebecca said the response he's getting from exposing pastors no it's a big one. It is a big response and so we share net too any the seat show ne sokrana they are capitalizing on that and they are getting more views and they are getting more viewerships and then sponsors ni nyama eba so a mo na we na Kennedy Japan hu ne se da bi asama wasofo ya kan wono Kennedy Japan wo to challenge ama wasofo no wase by December 31st na yewura 1st January 2020 mu na wono Kennedy Japan oguso tiase a sa wasofo Sunshine Anaba no na so be ye hye wo Ghana hase na wono nso wo nya ne ho information ashada e na wo pen ne ho information dia totototo ho no nya information ni na wi a sa asofo no eje se ebia ye no ende a ono Kennedy Japan no bewu ba se ye ne be ende no ono Kennedy Japan no wasanso tiase na trese osofo na dia wo kan na mbem so no Kennedy Japan no ebe de onde be ya sofo no benu ne ho se wo share income efa wo no Kennedy Japan. There are two sides of this issue. Book bi ana mi read asemwa okay before me the book na sembeba no yenkonko tie Kennedy Japan asema wakan efa osofo Sunshine Anaba ho na yetie wi a book amenso mi read no meba be kan quotation bi a me hu wo book team and then I don't know if I remember the title of the book but what the yenko take Kennedy Japan audio number
you see osofo bi the Sunshine
and then Sunshine
yeah something me share no me hwe mato challenge
ono so wo interest wo ni mu
one de December 31st yeah enter January 1st na metiase pa and a famous start action
on him.
Yes,
you see and who gada who building the dossier
yeah because I say the prediction ni say me 2020 menya sam 2 me wuti say na JB danka wu ye
the prediction no
yes
by no unsro
oh chia all that
saying on Asempa FM
JB okwa waba me papa okwa waba me mami okwa waba I am not scared. I'm giving you these examples. Now you see, psychology of the beating for.
Asempa
Somebody
FM.
should say amen. Praise what? You know that I like the guy. Only negative for you now.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, so you know I like the guy. You don't like me. You don't. If I don't die, if I don't get any year, would you go January 1st?
January 1st.
Yeah, on you ready. I'm gathering everything. Me say I'll put my life on the line to change souls in this country. We cannot continue to rely on these fake pastors with their predictions, prophecies, duping people.
And therefore, ye ni ayati Kennedy Japan asemo awoka. Na ne kre osofo ne kasa no wokan ye se wo pe Kennedy Japan asempa. Now, Yanko book na me reading. I think the title of the book neye The Subtle Mind of Not Giving a Fuck. I think that's the title of the book. The Subtle Mind of Not Giving an F. Minkanesa. Now, sa book quotation bia mission wo book name up to lende me the bomb bra and say yes, facts are okay. But your attitude towards the facts and no ene hu hia. E bia na de make kind one ti ase. The book ni person trend say eye ne kre insem bi wo ho a wo bi betumi aka a eye asem a eda ho say eye ne kre. But wo suban towards saadie no and ebe ma na hu say saadie na ya kan to won ebebe mu ana embem. In a sense say wo bi wo ho a wo no won tolerate say wo sofo bi be hye ne ho nkombone. Wo ma na adwenkra enkoso. Osofo no beka say ndia wo de ube sei wo mfi sofo ne kra wo be yi na adwenkra fi so. Ube say ne kra ebeba no onwu. It happens. Some people you sure mon come Ubon say obey na adwen fi so won fi sofo no de oya no be yes obebo mpa ya atre nyankopon obebo mpa ya atre nyankopon, but that person will not heed to the sofo na kan. Ubon say time ayama de na ebetwem na wenhu na tre say ne attitude one tolerate sa de no obi nso wo ho a just like Mensa Otabil preaching will preach sometime be I call viral. I say the Ghana for yendiye eye asofo. Oh sorry, asofo bi be sha come and you be dying next year, you be dying next 2 years. It in the back no obo bra kra na won pesika on person obi sika be sie because asofo ahye ne nkom say wo be wu next year. It is say o mia ne nia ne wonya sika ne nia sika no wo be wu eja sika no it wo be say nipa ko no akwadro. Wo ye dwumade ye nya sika kese obeka say dwumade ya me ko ye kra no osofo ahye me nkom say me wu next year. Inti amaga na fo ebi mu person be bobra asema Mensa Otabil kan no na tre say o de wadwen ekoma sa ade na ebetumi ayeden enyaw. So the approach Kennedy Japan is taking and they said this is a pure prediction from Osofu we. So no Kennedy Japan won fa na adwen emma na musionka sofu we no Kennedy Japan mongu 1st January 2021. What's the audio no? Now let's go to the prophecies Sunshine Anaba Wamae. Prophecies are Wama about Obinim, Abemwana Mbemu ye. Abem. In come share Wamae about Kennedy Japan Krano, Ebimu Owa Abem. Because one, Waka say Nkrofu bi bayo madu say wo mu beku ne to say JB Dankwa. We were here earlier this year and we heard breaking news say Nkrofu bi ko Kennedy Japan fie. Ah no omukra sekan. Didn't you hear that? JB Dankwa send the ekunu. Obi nipa baako eko ni fie a wo kra sekan ono de sekan ko wo ni kunu. And so someone can say oh sa prophecy ni kra abem e na nyankopon ayeden age Kennedy Japan. Because Nkrofo bompa ye ema Kennedy Japan. He papa Kennedy Japan ye Nkrofo no. Wo mo koda no mo bompa ya. Even ono Kennedy Japan say wan bompa ye kra na nyankopon ebeboa no. It is as any see and an Nkrofo kan say osofo bi hye nkom na nyankopon yi Kennedy Japan we film. Inti ebetumi aba ne say sa ade ne kra ne didn't come to pass because asofo na e kan say God refused to redeem. The other income share work can say international matter. I don't know, but in my very layman and the knowledge and the info I have at hand, no. Meaning say Kennedy Japan ni Kelvin Taylor and say Kelvin Taylor akwa report Kennedy Japan ama FBI. aside that kra Kennedy Japan ankasa aka said the last time I was call America Houston airport you detaining for close to 9 hours. It is a sofuna babontia be sofune be hye nkom kra ansa na Kennedy Japan wo kwa abrocha ye detaining no. It will be to me who say yes. And also there is a link. Osofune nkom sha was also share say Ghana has a ye the Kennedy Japan a lot of court cases no. And also ye nkom sha abem. And that me know ka say Kennedy Japan ni announce wo mo court. And that me know ka say Kennedy Japan ni kweku ba ko wo mo court. This month ya ruling ebeba. Na sa case no wo mo ye say wo mo Kennedy Japan sre ye say wo mo yi case ni enkofi enkoka. E na kweku ba ko ma rules bi say wo pe say ye yi case ni kofi enkoka. Enyama bi say na wo say wo ye wa say mi din. Inti ko radio na TV so. Na kwa ka sensema o ka fa me ho na nya ne kre. But em say rules are kweku ba ko ma ye no. Kennedy Japan hwa dabi untumi ndi so. Inti the matter went back to court. Inti 20th of this month, I think so. Earlier this month, I think so. And now late this month, ruling ebeba. Inti Kennedy Japan ni announce wo court. Kennedy Japan eni kweku ba ko e wo court. Kennedy Japan ko kan sem efa Joseph Yamin, the former deputy Ashanti regional minister. I was also a former deputy sports minister Joseph Yamin. Kennedy Japan ko kan sem fa ne ho say wo bo pose wo pese wo kum nkrofo bi e wo asokwane sa places no. But also the Kennedy Japan akọ court was you know for 95 million Ghana cedis. Also football tio enso asya Kennedy Japan akọ court. So you see, some commissioner also for the ex-share second in Japan this year will be a lot of court cases no. And the crown and most of these court cases no na embargo. It will be when they say yes, and the crest and commissioner so I then bim. Maybe so say one commissioner was off no was share you know and when Nyanko Ponchi Kennedy Japan. Embra will be called if it is how no bim. So this approach Kennedy Japan is taking say wo beba bontin aba be expose or suffer no so no Kennedy Japan we hu no. Me sure it is not an approach he Kennedy Japan needs to take. Without insult no, Mr. Mo de mon try mo comment box ni mo.